Are you looking for studio-grade sound without stretching your wallet? You've come to the right place. Today we're exploring the best budget studio monitors that deliver exceptional audio quality, perfect for music producers, podcasters, and audiophiles alike. Whether you're fine-tuning a mix or just enjoying your favorite tunes, these monitors are sure to impress with their performance and price. We're rigorously testing a variety of models to find those that offer the best balance of quality and affordability. From space-saving designs for small setups to powerful units that fill your room with sound, our top picks are ready to transform your audio experience. And hey, if you're excited about diving into our reviews, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. It only takes a second and helps us keep bringing great reviews like this one to you. All the monitors we discussed today are linked in the video description below, so be sure to check them out. Ready to see which ones hit all the right notes? Let's turn up the volume and get started with our guide to the best budget studio monitors. Number 6, Yamaha HS5 Powered Studio Monitor. Step into the sound with a Yamaha HS5 Powered Studio Monitor, a staple in any studio setup that promises to deliver unparalleled clarity and precision. This compact powerhouse stands out in its class, offering a pristine sound reproduction that's crucial for making critical mixing decisions. Whether you're editing intricate layers or mastering a track, the HS5 brings out detailed nuances with its 5-inch cone woofer and 1-inch dome tweeter. Designed to emulate the sound of the legendary Yamaha NS10, the HS5 Studio Monitor allows you to hear your mixes as they truly are, without coloring the sound. This honestly ensures your mixes translate well on other systems. The monitor also features room control and high trim response controls, which allow you to adapt its sound output to the acoustics of your space, making it versatile across different studio environments. Key highlights: exceptional clarity with a flat frequency response for accurate monitoring, room control and high trim settings for sound customization in various environments, and iconic white cone woofer that not only sounds great but also adds a stylish touch to your studio. Perfect for both budding home studios and professional setups, the Yamaha HS5 ensures that what you hear is what you get, helping to perfect your final sound output with confidence. Number 5. JBL Professional 306p MK2 Studio Monitor. Elevate your audio experience with the JBL Professional 306p MK2 Studio Monitor. Engineered to deliver outstanding sound quality that brings your music to life, this next-generation monitor combines JBL's legendary sound performance with sleek, contemporary aesthetics, making it a top pick for audio professionals and enthusiasts alike. The 306p MK2 features a 6-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter that work in harmony to produce a broad range of detailed sounds, from deep, powerful bass to crystal clear highs. Thanks to JBL's innovative image control waveguide technology, you'll get a wide sweet spot with impeccable detail and consistency, no matter where you stand in the room. What sets this monitor apart is its impressive dynamic range that handles high output levels with ease, ensuring distortion-free playback and allowing you to push your mixes to their limits. The monitor also includes flexible connectivity options with balanced XLR and 1/4-inch TRS inputs, making it adaptable to any studio environment. Key highlights: expansive soundstage with JBL's image control waveguide technology, robust build quality paired with modern design aesthetics, versatile connectivity options to suit various professional setups. Whether you're mixing, mastering, or just enjoying your favorite tracks, the JBL Professional 306p MK2 offers a listening experience that captures every sonic detail. Turn up the volume and prepare to hear your audio like never before. Number 4, Edifier MR4 Powered Studio Monitor. Step into the studio with confidence using the Edifier MR4 Power Studio Monitor. Crafted for those who demand crisp, accurate audio for music production, podcasting, or just immersive listening. This monitor offers precision sound that truly represents your work, ensuring that what you hear is what your audience gets. The MR4 is equipped with a 4-inch woofer and a silk dome tweeter that, together, produce a wide range of frequencies with clarity and depth. The setup ensures smooth, rich lows and clear, sparkling highs, making every session an opportunity to experience your audio tracks in their fullest detail. The monitors are also designed with user-friendly controls that allows easy adjustments to volume the EQ settings to fit your room's acoustic and personal taste. Key highlights are balanced sound with 4-inch woofers and silk dome tweeters for detailed highs and lows, user-friendly controls, and compact design that fits perfectly in home studios or smaller setups. The Edifier MR4 is an excellent choice for budding producers and seasoned audiophiles alike, offering professional-level sound quality at a budget-friendly price point. Ready to elevate your audio experience? The MR4 might just be your perfect studio partner. Mackie CR3X 3-inch studio monitor. Discover the clarity and depth of your audio projects with these compact powerhouses designed to deliver professional-grade sound quality without taking up too much space. Ideal for smaller studios or home setups, they feature 3-inch woofers for a rich and balanced bass response and 0.75-inch tweeters that handle high frequency with crisp precision. The sleek design and brushed metal panels not only provide a modern look, but also enhance durability. Not just about sound. These monitors are also about convenience. With front panel controls, you can easily adjust volume and power the system on or off. Plus, the headphone output and auxiliary input allow you to switch between audio sources effortlessly. Key highlights: compact design ideal for limited spaces, rich detailed audio with robust woofers and crisp tweeters, convenient front panel controls for easy adjustments, versatile connections with headphone and auxiliary inputs. Whether crafting your next masterpiece or enjoying your favorite tunes, these monitors ensure every note and nuance is heard, enhancing your audio experience. Number 2, Edifier R128OT 2.0 Studio Monitor. Elevate your audio experience with the Edifier R128OT 2.0. Pair of studio monitors that combine exceptional sound quality with an aesthetically pleasing design, perfect for those who appreciate both style and acoustics. These monitors offer a versatile performance that suits any listening preference. Featuring 4-inch primary woofers and dedicated silk dome tweeters, the monitors deliver a natural, well-balanced sound with crisp highs and rich lows. The compact size makes them ideal for small studio spaces or as a part of a home entertainment setup. What sets these speakers apart is their wooden enclosure, which not only complements any room decor but also minimizes acoustic resonance to enhance the clarity of the sound. The dual RCA input allows for connectivity to multiple devices, providing flexibility and setup without the need for switching cables. Additionally, the side panel controls for volume and EQ adjustment make fine-tuning and audio output convenient and accessible. Key highlights: natural sound reproduction with 4-inch woofers and silk dome tweeters, stylish wooden enclosure that enhances audio clarity, convenient side panel controls for easy sound customization, and dual RCA inputs for versatile connectivity options. Whether mixing in the studio or relaxing to some tunes at home, these monitors deliver a performance that will impress audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Now, number 1, PreSonus Eris 3.5 Studio Monitor Generation 2. Introducing the latest in compact studio sound, the PreSonus Eris 3.5 Generation 2 brings high-quality audio performance right to your desktop. Ideal for music production, video editing, and casual listening, these monitors are designed to deliver a clear and accurate sound profile in a compact form factor. The Eris 3.5 Generation 2 features a 3.5-inch woven composite woofer paired with a 1-inch ultra-low mass silk dome tweeter, providing a smooth frequency response with a wide sweet spot. This means you can get consistent, refined sound across all types of audio work. With new acoustic tuning controls, you can tailor the monitors to your space, optimizing the audio for challenging room acoustics or personal preferences. Connectivity is flexible, featuring balanced TRS and unbalanced RCA inputs, making it easy to link up with your existing gear. The front-facing headphone jack and volume control allow for easy solo listening. Key highlights: precise sound with 3.5-inch woofers and 1-inch tweeters, acoustic tuning controls for customizable audio, multiple connection options for versatile setups, compact design suitable for small studios or desks. Whether you're crafting tracks, editing content, or just enjoying your favorite favorite album. The PreSonus Eris 3.5 Generation 2 ensures every detail is heard, making it a top choice for audio professionals and enthusiasts alike. I hope you found our rundown of the best budget studio monitors helpful. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us which monitor you're considering and what projects you plan to tackle with it. It looks like you might not have hit that like button yet. If you appreciate this guide, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support is crucial in helping us continue to deliver great content just like this. Thanks for watching.